Hey Radha guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's stream video without having any further delays. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what actually happened today in my entire today's life. And first of all, this video is about the routine of day 203, and the date is I think today is 26th June. Yeah, today is this 26th June 2024. Okay, day 203, 230. Okay, so basically today I woke up already at 8 a.m. around 8 to 8:30 a.m. But I feel too much anxiety on the time because of the some reasons. Okay, so after that I went for the sleep again. So after that I woke up at around 10:30 to 11:30 between. Okay, so after that I brought my cloth, and after that I went to the ground floor. Okay, so after that I told to my sister that about the Colgate. After that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath. After that I wore the clothes, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. So basically this is a thing what I had done today. And after that in time of morning, I ate what I ate today. I ate today soya bean plus potato sabzi plus rice. So basically I ate this today. Okay, and after that what I had done, uh, yeah, so basically after that I ate the food while watching the TV. Okay, and after that I watched some cartoons. Okay, so yeah, basically not too much that cartoon. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened today. And my one of sister went somewhere, so she decided that she will take my phone to go there. And after that that's all the thing which was happened today. Okay, so after that after that I went to the first floor. Wait guys, yeah, I came to the first floor and I started learning the vocabulary. Okay, so and after that I didn't learn too much thing basically. Okay, so after that I went to the first floor to ground floor to first floor. After that my sister came, and after that my sister came and she gave me a phone, and I've checked all the notification. So basically this is a thing today happened, and I was at first floor. Okay, so my mother already came in the ground floor, so she called me, and after that I went to the ground floor, and after that I ate food with her. So after that I was doing the preparation for going to the RS Samaj for taking information about the scholarship. So basically this is a thing which was happened today. And after that I went to the first floor, and my sister also going to be there because of some work. After that I was totally ready. I again taken the bath, and after that I was totally ready. And after that I went to the ground floor, and I gave my today I gave my mark sheet of class 12 for the lamination process. After that he charged 30 rupees for lamination, and after that I came home. So after that me and my sister went to the Arya Samaj. So basically this is the thing which was happened today at Arya Samaj. I talked about all the scholarship, and she advised me to do these such kind of activities. So after that me and my sister went to the medical. Okay, for taking some medicines. After that we went to the grocery shop for purchasing something, but we had not purchased something because of the some reasons. After that we came home, and after that I clicked my photos, and after that what I had done, I drank water. After that I had taken the rest, and after that I wore out all the new clothes, and after that I wore the home clothes. And basically this is the thing which was happened today. Okay, so after that my mother served me pasta, so I ate today, and that's it. So basically guys, this is the thing. Now guys, I have a confusion. There are two kinds of pasta, or we can say macaroni. So uh, you know uh, the small size and circular size we call pasta or macaroni, or the springy shape junk fast food, that is pasta or macaroni. I have some we can say that dilemma, so confusion. So that's it. So basically after that I ate, and after that I didn't do too much thing. I watched TV, and after that not too much. After that I went to the first floor, and for filling the water to the cooler. And after that I went to the bathroom, and after that I came home, and after that I spent my time with family. And after that I came first floor for after birth. I brought two chilled water, one for the cooler where I have to put from the upper part, so that the cold air should become, and after and one for drinking. So basically guys, this is the thing. And after that I started shooting the video. So basically guys, this is the thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand clear. If you really understand clear, then kindly please like it, because if you like our videos, it really motivates me and encourage me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. And one thing I also wanted to tell you, that if you found any kind of mistakes when I spoke, then kindly please tell me in the comment section, so that I can improve my English speaking skills. And I really appreciate you that you are trying to help me. So let's start today's 5 vocabulary words. So our first vocabulary word is whom. Whom means guys kisko. Someone asked me give this pen to him. So I asked to him whom. That's it. What are you doing, man? I'm talking to the give this pen to him. And I again asked that whom. That's it. So our second word is sensible. First guy, whom means kisko, and sensible means samajhdar. I think that you are a very sensible person. I totally think that you are a very sensible person. I really appreciate you that you're trying to help me, and you're very, very brave person. How you handle it, all the goons. You are a very sensible person. I really appreciate you. So our third word is literate, padha likha. He is a literate person. That's why he is able to do such kind of activities. And fourth word is illiterate, unpad. He is illiterate person. That's why he was unable to he is unable to give NEET exam. Our fifth word is garrulous. That means batoni. You are a very garrulous person. I don't like it. You're a very garrulous person. Garrulous, batoni, garrulous. You're a very garrulous person. I don't like it. Okay. So basically, this is the thing which was happened today. So let's start one accounting topic today. Okay. So let's see. Let's talk about what is bills payable and what is bills receivable. Basically, bills payable is the amount which we have to pay. In accounting term, we use for the creditor. Okay. So and same as creditor, similarly, where we have to pay in, and bills receivable, we have to receive money from someone as a debtor. Okay. So basically guys, this is the today's accounting topic. And one thing guys, today is interesting happened. I have completed my all the vocabulary, and I have also completed all the 5 words vocabulary. Okay. And I also told you routine and also the accounting topic in till 8 minutes 2 seconds. So what I don't do, I think that I didn't revise the vocabulary. Wait guys, I don't revise all the vocabulary. The thing is that dude. So let's revise. Basically in yesterday's video, I also think that I didn't revise the vocabulary. Dude, I'm doing very wrong thing. So बातूनी, garrulous, अनपढ़, illiterate, पढ़ा लिखा, literate, समझदार, sensible, किसको, whom, किसका, whose, अजीब, विचित्र, we can say अजीब, it's weird, घटिया, shoddy, फौजी, soldier, दया, मर्सी, पापी, सिनर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, जुआरी, गैमलर, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, गड्ढा, पिट, कीचड़, मड, बौना, ड्वार्फ, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, सुखदायक, I forget always, I don't know why. It's soothing. And when I watched something on my phone, it's soothing me. I'm just taking the example, okay, so that I can remember this. सत्यानाश, damn it, प्रतीत होना, सीम, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, चुड़ैल, विच, वरदान, बोन, वरदान, बोन, श्राप, कर्ज, खुजली, इचिंग, वफादार, लॉयल, शपथ लेना, ओथ, जाति, कास्ट, भेदभाव, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, आचार, पिकल, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, अपराध, क्राइम, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, इरादा, इंटेंशन, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, मासूम, इनोसेंट, प्रयास, स्ट्रगल, एफर्ट, धरती अर्थ धड़कन हार्ट बीट डरपोक कायर से कोवर्ट झूला स्विंग इच्छा डिजायर घाव वाउंड या घूरना स्टेयर खासियत कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऐतिहासिक हिस्टोरिकल उचित प्रॉपर उलझन डिलेमा उम्मीद होप हालत कंडीशन भाग्य फेट थोड़ा लिटिल बिट तालमेल कोऑर्डिनेशन जिद्दी स्टबर्न उत्साह एंथुजियाज्म उपाय रेमेडी और वी कैन से दैट सॉल्यूशन या बीमार सिक आदत हॉबी बातचीत कन्वर्जेशन संभावना पॉसिबिलिटी प्रस्ताव प्रपोजल प्राचीन इंसाइन प्रारंभिक इनिशियल तरक्की प्रोग्रेस जागरूकता अवेयरनेस उपयुक्त एप्रोप्रिएट मूली रेडिस पालक स्पिनच शिमला मिर्च बेल पेपर बर्तन यूटेंसिल जड़ी बूटी हर्ब कमर वेस्ट चोट इंजरी कपड़े धोने का स्थान लॉन्ड्री चश्मा ग्लासेस कांच ग्लास पैदल ऑन फुट नतीजा आउटकम के बजाय इंस्टीड मुश्किल से बेरली आधी रात टुनाइट हाल ही में रिसेंटली आज रात टुनाइट पक्का श्योर पर्दे खिलाफ पर्दे सॉरी गाइस पर्दे कर्टेन्स के खिलाफ अगेंस्ट बगल में डिसाइड पकड़ना कैच खिलाना फीड भौंकना बार्क रोना क्राई विचार थॉट न्याय जस्टिस निर्देश इंस्ट्रक्शन विरोध करना प्रोटेस्ट पहुंचना अराइव नीचा दिखाना ह्यूमिलेट बेवकूफ़ नासमझ सिले डांटना स्कोल्ड बदनाम करना ह्यूमिलेट लगाव अफेक्शन इश्कबाजी करना फ्लर्ट कुंवाड़ा बैचलर बहादुर ब्रेव बहकाना मिसगाइड परेशानी ट्रबल अंधविश्वास सुपरस्टिशन पास लेयर खटखटाना नॉक बनाना क्रिएट पीछे बिहाइंड सचमुच लिटरली जरूरी एसेंशियल निश्चित रूप से अप्रेंटली फुसफुसाना विस्पर धीरज पेशेंस लिफाफा एनवलप समझाना एक्सप्लेन आश्चर्य वंडर आरामदायक कंफर्टेबल ले आओ ब्रिंग सांस ब्रीथ भक्त डिवोटी उत्सुक एगर आत्मा सोल बेचैनी एंजाइटी स्वीकार करना एक्नॉलेज so yeah so this is the thing that was totally all over happened today and after shooting this video I will study and I'll talk to the Joestock app and after that I will going to the sleep so I think guys this is enough for today let's end the video guys see you bye bye